I can't deal with the DW. Fandom no more, bro. Me and my bro got jumped for liking a ship with Sprout. That isn't fruitcake. In the RP mode, like we had a whole crowd, it was genuinely kind of funny. Some team, Dandy was like, asterisk kills Scraps asterisk, and like a pebble. Said Cosmo like Sprout, and Sprout like Cosmo. Help. And they went to, at us, and said something about, Yowie, so I went on to say, would you like to be the baseball to my nickel, to my friend? And the pebble was like, oops. Anyways, it was all shits and giggles for me and bro. But fruitcake shippers are kinda ass. Like, let me ship a rare bear with Sprout. I actually have footage, like almost always. I like to keep stuff as memories. Moral of the story, please respect opinions, even if you dislike them.
So you
Like,
think I'm not
don't
paying
make
attention?
such
Well,
a
look what
fuss
just happened
over
earlier
someone
today.
disliking your favorite ship or a ship you like. There's no need to.
You noticed that?
Bye.